Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga for You. Before we begin today's meditation, find yourself in a place free from distractions, where it is safe for you to close your eyes. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting in a chair, on the ground, on a cushion, or lying down. And allow your hands to rest softly on your knees or along your sides, palms down. If you are sitting up or before lying down, let's take a moment to squeeze our shoulders up to our ears and then gently roll them forward in big circles. Now switch directions, rolling them softly backward. Now let's bring our right ear to right shoulder and slowly roll your head forward and all the way to the other side, left ear to left shoulder. Do this a couple more times, slowly rolling your head back and forth. Come back to neutral, and if you'd like to lie down, take a moment now to get comfortable. Make any adjustments you need to feel completely comfortable. Soften or close your eyes. Relax your jaw, your forehead. Release the shoulders. Soften and surrender into this moment. Turn your focus inward and become aware of your breath. Breathe deeply in and out through your nose. Should your mind begin to wander at any time throughout this meditation, simply notice without judgment and gently bring it back to your breath. It is completely natural for our thoughts to wander. This is a practice, and we are all on our own individual paths. Wherever you are on your path is where you should be. For the next few moments, I want you to simply observe your breath. Put aside your thoughts about the past, about the future, and simply be here, now, in this present moment. You are exactly where you need to be and who you need to be at this time and in this moment. Let's fully live in this moment. Notice how your breath feels as it fills up your lungs. Feel your chest and stomach gently rise and fall with each breath. Now slowly bring your awareness to your right foot, the top of your right foot, the bottom of your right foot, your toes. Become aware of any sensations you may feel. Imagine sending your breath down to your foot. Now bring your awareness to your left foot, the top of your left foot, the bottom of your left foot, your toes. Notice how your left foot feels. Bring your awareness to your right leg, your right ankle, lower leg, right knee, upper leg. Notice how your entire right leg feels. Bring your awareness to your left leg, your left ankle, lower leg, knee, upper leg. Now bring your awareness to your core, your hips, your pelvis, lower back, abdomen, belly. Notice how your core feels. Bring your awareness to your chest, moving gently with each breath. Notice how your chest feels in this moment. Now bring your awareness to your right arm, your right fingers, the top of your hand, your palm, your forearm, elbow, upper arm. Notice any sensations in your entire right arm. Now bring your awareness to your left arm, your left fingers, the top of your left hand, your palm, your forearm, left elbow, and upper arm. Bring your awareness to your shoulders and up to your neck. Imagine any tension or stress leaving your body with each exhale. Now bring your awareness to your head. Notice your jaw, your tongue, lips, nose, eyes, your ears, and your forehead. And now bring your awareness to your entire body. Become aware of any sensations you may feel. And then return your focus to your breath. Don't try and change it. Simply observe your breath the next few moments. It's now time to gently reawaken your body and your mind. Keeping your eyes closed, begin to notice the sounds around you, the smells. Feel the floor beneath you. Feel your clothes against your body. Gently wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Softly roll your shoulders forward and back. Bring some gentle movement back into your body. Now softly open your eyes and remain here for a few moments longer. Thank you so much for sharing your meditation practice with me today. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you again soon.